discuss about one of the most important topic, which is the application of artificial intelligence to change the different kind of business processes in the coming days and present. Myself, Dr. Siddharth Gosh, I am the director at NMIMS Hyderabad and practicing artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning for more than 15 years. As an academician, as a researcher, and also some of the activities which I have done in collaboration with industry, and my understanding in artificial intelligence is really helping me to understand this specific process. Before moving ahead, I would like to mention here, in many a time, whenever we speak about artificial intelligence, we feel that artificial intelligence is all about applying or using robots in business or daily work, and that robot will do all kind of work. I'd like to mention here, this is just one of the initiative of artificial intelligence that we see in the form of robot. Artificial intelligence is much vast from every aspect. Starting from 1960, when the journey started, basically we used to call this artificial intelligence as the basic artificial intelligence, or the artificial intelligence which is driven by the logic. Now, I'd like to mention here, basically the definition of artificial intelligence says that converting the machines or the software to work in a way which having the touch of human intelligence. That means if some work is done by human and we require human intelligence to do that task, the similar kind of task can be done by the software or machines or robots, then I can tell that artificial intelligence is applied. And most of the cases, this specific basic artificial intelligence was done by the logic, and that time also it was not touching business much. But moving ahead, when we get better programming languages and systems, we came to a situation that the computer utilization by the normal people as well as in the business really gone high. And if we see the era of computers and operating systems, it happened that 1995 Microsoft brought Windows 95 in the market, and that has really changed the way common man does computing, because people started purchasing their own computers. That means the desktop started coming at home, and with Windows 95 operating system, the popularity came in the real world. In the later stage, we also seen that people started using internet, and it was possible because around 99-2000 we got the huge amount of application of Java, and then this desktop computer application of Java in the internet world, people started using computer in a much more than they were using earlier before 2000. And 2000 to this era, I can again consider also the era of the way mobile phone came into the picture and changed the world. 2000 is very crucial again for us, that people started using the small, what you can call phone, which are people can carry from one place to another place, and Motorola being very small devices into the market. But even though the smartphone were not there, the smartphone got popularity around 2010. So 95 to 2000, 2000 to 2010, this 15 years is very important, the way people started using laptop, computer, personal devices as well as the smartphone, and that gave a huge amount of collection of data, which has become later stage as big data. And then we were bound to utilize new techniques to handle this huge amount of data in a regular life as well as maintaining the business processes. So the artificial intelligence we started in 1960, later stage with the advancement of computing, operating system and programming languages, not only Java, even also Python, has given us new concepts and ideas which are beyond the basic artificial intelligence. As I told, the basic artificial intelligence started in 1960 and it were not data driven, it was logic driven. But the situation came by the 2010, we are in a specific what you can call moment when we are supposed to take a call how this basic artificial intelligence need to be taken up as an advanced artificial intelligence, and that also can be applied in business and other processes. So here came machine learning. Machine started learning from the data, and later stage we also have seen when the data has gone much bigger than the normal days in 2010-15. If you tell about 2019, 2021 to till date, the huge collection of data and the recognition of the what you can call faces or different kind of video clippings, facial recognition, thumb impression recognition, all these things together, not only just artificial intelligence, in the later stage we also saw that the machine learning as well as deep learning has taken the world into another level. Combining this together, we see as on today artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, where it is totally driven by data. The machine is learning from data, machine is taking decision on data, machine is doing prediction of data. All together we have named it as a data science. How best the data can be collected, the data can be saved for future, how best the data can be processed, and how best the prediction can be made for the future. And this specific scenario of collecting data, analyzing it with the help of different kind of artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning algorithm is touching the business everywhere. It's not just robot. While doing all these things today, if we want to consider some of the basic business, let us consider the way we are going ahead and booking our flight tickets. So how best I can have a proper what you can call travel plan for myself, traveling around 4 to 5 cities with the minimum amount of the ticket cost, that is today is decided by one of the systems or software which can tell me the best way of utilizing my money. At the same time, we also have seen this data driven world and decision making today helping us to invest in the share market. So there are different areas that this artificial intelligence or advanced artificial intelligence is used in different sectors. So if you tell how it is really changing the business or how it is going to touch the business in the coming days, one of the major part I would like to mention here is the automation, business process automation. Business process automation is also a part of artificial intelligence, where some of the business process you convert it into automated process, and that saves a lot of your time, that saves a lot of mistake today, and that helps the business to grow faster. The HR processes has been automated in different organizations. So today the shortlisting of CVs and selecting some of the top CVs from 2000 or 2 lakhs of CVs by an organization is happening in fraction of seconds or minutes with the help of AI, machine learning and deep learning techniques. So that is helping in a major way. We have seen during the pandemic time, the use of robots inside the hospital has helped us to save a lot of lives, and also the lives of doctors and nurses. With the critical areas we are not able to send nurses and doctors, the food and other services was given by robots and totally controlled. Even the medicines were also sent by the robot or robotics devices. The robot is not just, I am telling, humanoids or which looks like human robots. The robotic arms, the robotic machines and different kind of other robotic devices helping in different other sectors, and the control has become much better. The application of AI machining in data science in the field of healthcare is again changing the business process a lot. Earlier, when you used to require a specific expert or doctor to identify some of the top or high level diseases, today it is done in the fraction of seconds by deep learning. So recruitment process, the identification of medicine, identification of disease, drug design, travel plan, cleaning our surrounding in and around wherever we stay, everything is going through a big change with the application of artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science. And this will continue. We tell that in one way the business is going to reach new height with the help of application of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and data science. Thank you.